Welcome back to ALIGANA tutorial series. Today we'll guide you on how to create your free membership account and set up your profile. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest videos. To get started with ALIGANA, you need to create an account. This will give you access to our various services, including procurement and forwarding services, procurement service only, forwarding service only, and Shopify WooCommerce dropshipping services. Here's how you can create your account. Step 1. Visit aligana.com and click on the Mine button located at the bottom right corner of the homepage on mobile, or join us or sign in when using the computer. Step 2. Look for the Register button next to Forgot Password and click on it. When you click on Join Us on the computer, it loads the registration form directly. Step 3. On the registration page, fill in your personal details such as your email address, full name, and secure password. Click Get Code after entering your active email address for verification code sent to your provided email address. Step 4. You will receive a verification code in your email inbox. Retrieve the code and enter it in the verification code field provided on the registration form. Step 5. To ensure that you are a human and not a bot, enter the CAPTCHA code provided on the page. Step 6. Read and agree to the user agreement terms. Check the box next to I have read and agreed to the user agreement, and then click on the Join Us button to complete your registration. Congratulations! You have successfully created a free membership account on aligana.com. You can now start browsing and purchasing products from popular Chinese e-commerce websites. Now let's move on to setting up and updating your account profile. Step 1. Sign into your ALIGANA account. Click on the Mine icon located at the bottom right corner of the page on mobile or personal center and select My Account using the computer. This will take you to your account center. Step 2. Update your basic settings by clicking on the Edit button located near your username. Add your phone number, alternative phone number, WhatsApp number, and Facebook profile name, if applicable. Click on the Submit button to save your changes. Step 3. Add your shipping address to your address book. Click on the menu button located on the left side above your username. Scroll down to locate the Info Management section and select My Address Book. Click on Add and fill in your shipping address on the pop-up form. Toggle the default button to make it your default address, and click on the Submit button to add your address to the address book. Congratulations! You've now set up your ALIGANA account and are ready to start shopping. In the next segment of this tutorial, we'll guide you on how to find and order product